This is the greatest credit card of all time. Or is it? The Bilt MasterCard. You see, with this card, you can earn 3 points on dining, 2 points on travel, 1 point on all other purchases, and 1 point for every dollar spent on rent. But who cares, right? Wrong! And I'll tell you why. Follow me. You see, if you used other credit cards to make payments towards your rent, you would have to pay a processing fee in order for you to do so, which would eat away at those reward points. But with Bilt, they have built a system in which you can use their card to make payments on your rent. They cover the processing fee for you. So if you're paying $2,000 to $3,000 a month in rent on the Bilt MasterCard, that would turn into 2,000 to 3,000 Bilt points that you have no processing fee to pay on. Bilt also allows you to use the card for rental payments even if your landlord only accepts checks. They do this by writing a check on your behalf to the landlord to cover your payment for rent for that month. Now, the one caveat you should be made aware of when it comes to the rewards on rent is that the Bilt MasterCard is only good for up to 50,000 reward points each calendar year, which essentially means that you can use it for rental payments that go up to $4,166 per month. It's also important to note that you must make 5 posted transactions within each statement period in order to retain the points that you've earned. Otherwise, you will lose those points. To take the reward system to another level, the Bilt MasterCard also allows you to earn double the points on all categories except rent on the first day of every month. This means that you could earn 6 points on dining, 4 points on travel, and 2 points on all other purchases. As a matter of fact, according to Bankrate.com, the Bilt MasterCard actually has the most valuable reward point system right now over Chase and over Amex, being valued at 2.2 cents per point. But wait! There's more! You can transfer your Bilt points to travel partners such as Hyatt, Emirates Airlines, IHG, United Airlines, but most importantly, American Airlines. Now, when it comes to American Airlines, this is huge news because number one, American Airlines does not partner with any other credit card company. Number two, these are points that you can use to redeem towards your next vacation. You can also use Bilt points to redeem classes with fitness partners like Rumble Boxing and SoulCycle, if that's what you're into. Another perk that comes with being a Bilt MasterCard holder is that through Bilt's Alliance program, you can actually have your rental payment show on Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Now, I have made videos before about credit building programs that allow you to do things like this, like Rent Reporters and like Rental Karma, but this is the first time that we are seeing a credit card that allows you to do this within its ecosystem. And lastly, some of the other card benefits include trip cancellations for up to $5,000, cell phone protection for up to $800, and theft and damage protection for up to $10,000. I rest my case. So, should you get the Bilt MasterCard? My answer is unequivocally yes. If you pay rent, this is the card for you. I'll even go as far to say that if you're a homeowner, you should strongly consider getting this card because I believe it's only a matter of time before the Bilt MasterCard makes it possible to make paying your mortgage redeemable for reward points on this card. The only downside about this card is that unfortunately, unlike most credit cards, it doesn't have a welcome offer. However, that does not stop it from being one of the best credit cards that we have ever seen. But that's all for this video. Remember to like and subscribe to show the channel some love. And if you have bad credit and you're looking to restore it so that you can apply for cards like these, head over to my company's website at takeoffinancial.com to book a free consultation so that we can get your credit report right. I'm Marvin Fertois, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.